8. Hardik Pandya is an Indian cricketer who plays for the Indian national team and in the Indian Premier League. Though he was born on October 11, 1993, in Surat, Gujarat, India. 10. He made his international debut for India in January 2016 in a T20I match against Australia. 4. Hardik is a fast bowling all-rounder who is known for his aggressive batting and ability to hit big shots. 5. He has played a crucial role in many of India's victories, both with the bat and the ball. 6. Pandya has been a part of the Indian team that won the 2019 ODI World Cup and the 2017 Champions Trophy. 7. In the IPL, he had been a valuable player for the Mumbai Indians and has helped the team win multiple titles, and now he is playing for Gujarat Titans in IPL. 8. Hardik Pandya is also known for his flamboyant and stylish personality off the field. 9. He has been involved in various brand endorsements and is also known for his love for cars and watches. Thus, despite facing some injuries in his career, Hardik remains a key player for India in all formats of the game.